Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can access and view your edit history for your documents and text on Google Docs really quickly. So drop a like and now let us jump right into it. So doing this is actually super simple, guys. What you want to do is click on File here in the top left corner of your open document and select this option here, version history. So hover your mouse over it and here to the right, select either name the current version or see version history if you'd like to gain access to your entire version history of the given document. You may also use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-Shift+H for that. So let me click on it and there you go, that's your document's version history. So what you want to do, guys, is for example select the current version or any other previous versions here on the right hand side, for example. So you may click, for example, on that arrow down icon here and select all versions and pick the version from that list below, like for example this one here, and that's basically it. Now if you'd like to save one of the previous versions of your current document, you may click, for example, on the three dots to the right and select make a copy to save it, for instance, on your device or in your Google Drive account to access it later and to make changes to it whenever you like. And that's basically it, guys. That's how I do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.